there is a chance that there may be having the same series possible. Right. So depending upon the posting key, you should be able to say.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you see 25, then you know, okay, this is a vendor account. If you see 40, then you know that is a GL account, right?
Yes.
So there could be a GL account with the same number. There could be a vendor account with the same number also.
The posting is mandatory or universal for every company?
Yes.
Or is that they changes that one?
Posting key, they are standard, yeah, fixed.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So wherever you go, whichever country, whichever SAP, whichever company, for 40 it is always debit GL only. For 50 it is always credit GL only. Okay. There are many posting keys. Yeah. By the way, there is a T code.
OB47.
OB40. Correct. Yeah. So / OB40. You can see all the posting keys there, right?
No, OB47, sir.
OB41.
41.
Right? OB40. Now don't learn all this, yeah? Don't waste your time. No need to do all this. Main ones I will do.
Standard posting keys.
All these are standard posting.
Okay.
Okay. So when system is posting, it will use this. Yeah, don't bother to learn all this. Main ones anyhow we will know when we are doing the practice. Okay. So here you see, here you can see, like I have my
But
40.
then what is the exact answer of what was the question?
Yeah, I'm going to give now, yeah. 40. 40 is what? Debit GL. Yeah. What is 50? Credit
GL
Yes. Same way, if it is 25, it is debit vendor. Correct. If it is 31, it is credit vendor. Understood? Yeah? Yeah. No. Posting key is a 2-digit numeric code in SAP used while posting of entry. It helps us to identify the type of account that is being posted and whether it is being or credited. Okay, no doubt. Background noise again. Okay, no doubt. We will put this at the last, yeah, it makes more. Yeah. One more thing. One that you do not know till now, right? That also I will discuss. Now posting B has got one more angle. Okay, so if you go here, if you open this 40, yeah, 40. You see 40 is for what? Debit. And for which account? GL. Correct? You see? If I click, it will tell 50. Okay, if I click on 50, it will tell 50 is credit. Okay, credit. Which account?
GL account.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now here on top, we are getting something else. Yeah, if you notice here, on top we are getting maintain field status. Maintain field status. Now you know na field status, which
Yes,
step
sir.
we are doing for field status?
OBC4, OBC.
Correct. But here this is also coming in the middle. Yeah, from here also field statuses can be controlled. Okay. So if you click on the maintain field status, again you are seeing the same data you see that you see in OBC4, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, general data, you can see text required, right? Same fields. Are you able to see same fields?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so posting keys wise
Okay.
also you can control. Correct? Posting keys wise also you can control the entry. So at the time of entry, what is required, so GL account wise we can control. Posting keys wise also you can control.
Control.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I have a question. Suppose in the field status I took there suppress and I am coming here and I am saying required. Then what will happen?
Not
Change
good.
to request.
Right? There will be a clash, no?
Yes.
Yeah, understand? Okay, so you have to think logical. There is no rocket science here. Simple, common sense we will use to understand this. Yeah. So now just understand. Suppose if the field status group, right? Field status variant. So now two things here, right? Field status variant versus what is it? Posting. Okay. Now in field status we have given as required, right? And here you have given as suppress, right? Or okay, we will start from here. Here also required, here also required. What will happen? Any problem?
No problem.
No problem. Required. Both are happy, right? Now here it is required. Here it is optional. Then
It is also required. Also.
No problem.
higher. Na system will always go for the corner one. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now here it is suppress. Okay. Now here it is required. Here it is suppress.
Still clear.
Required.
No, sir.
There you will get error.
Yes, sir.
Error because you are doing contradictory statements. Correct. It makes sense, na? One side you are saying I don't want, one side you are saying I want. Right? Which one it should listen?
Yes, sir.
Error, this is not possible. This combination is not possible. Got it? Good. Next.
Yes.
Then what are the other combinations we have? Okay, optional we have. Optional we have. Here required we have. Then what will happen?
The suppress.
Required. Common. Yes, next. Optional here. Here also optional. Then no problem at all. No problem at all, na? Just general. Here we have optional we have. Here we have suppress we have. Then tell me.
Optional.
No.
Suppress.
Optional is you are not giving any direction, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this will work as what? Suppress.
Suppress.
But next,
Not required.
suppress and required. Then what will happen?
Error.
Error. Correct. Next. Now next tell me what are the other combinations? Suppress here what? Optional.
Option.
Then
Suppress.
suppress. Correct now. Which one is the extreme one? It will not optional. We are not giving anything. Now, anything is okay. So when you are saying anything is okay, then you have to you should ready for suppress also, right?
Yes.
When you are saying optional means not given also it's okay. You are saying. So then go for not given. Correct.
And-
Yes.
And both are suppressor.
Both are suppressed. You tell me.
Suppress.
Press only.
Got it? Just generally you have to think and you can answer, right? How it will work. It will work like this. Okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Actually, yes, tell me.
Sir, sorry to ask you. I would like to know one thing. When field status variant topic has been covered, because I have joined 3-4 days later.
No, step number 11 you have not done till now. Step number 11, OBC 4. Step number 11. Hello? So definitely you must have covered this. If you are able to do, are you able to create the company code you have created? Hello? Are you able to listen me? Are you able to, am I audible?
You are audible, sir, but the
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Right. You got the point now? Yeah? Right, okay, we'll stop here for today. Tomorrow I will discuss some more questions like this, yeah? So now what is the next one? It also controls the posting key. It also, so another, one more line you have to add here. It also controls the status of the field. Status, then immediately he will catch up, right? Oh no, field statuses are controlled from OBC 4, na? Then how is that will happen? If there is a clash, what will happen? That question will come. That's why I discussed all this, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Right.
generally posting is mandatory, no? For posting symbols.
Posting keys are
Mandatory, no, sir?
mandatory, yes. In SAP, mandatory, correct. See, you have to give debit and credit, na?
And that's what,
Debit and credit you are giving in the number form. That's
yeah, it is mandatory.
correct.
Thanks.
Yeah, good. Okay then, thank you guys. We'll meet tomorrow. I will discuss some more questions like this. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good night.